Hello, welcome back to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can access elements that are present inside an array. Okay, so for that you can use the position of the index. Okay, so for that you have to use the system.out.println, and if you want to access the element at 0th position or 0th index, then you can give a message like this: index element at index 0. And then if you want to access from this particular array, then you can use the numbers, and then you have to specify the index, okay, like this way. Now you have to save it, and if you want to see the value, then you can use control 1 and control 2. As you can see, it is saying it is having 1 in the 0th index. So in the similar fashion, if you want to see the second one as well, you can also do that by using the index. So if I have to specify the one index over here. Now if you want to print it in the similar fashion, you can do that. You can see element at index 1 and 2. In the similar fashion, if you want to do the same for all the elements, you can do that. So you have to specify 2 over here, 3 over here, 4 over here. In the similar fashion, 1 here, 2, 3 and 4, because it's having only 4 index, so that's why I am giving here like this. So whatever the size of the array will be, index will be -1. So here in this case total 5 elements are there, so index will be 5 minus 1, that is 4. Okay, remember that. So if I'll compile it and if I'll execute it, you will get all the values and also associated index. Okay, so now in this type of accessing values will be problematic, because if your array is having more than 5 or more than 20, 30 values inside it or elements inside it, so this way you should not access. So instead of this, you can use different types of loops. You can use for loop, while loop, do while loop, for each loop. So you can use any of them for accessing data and manipulating the data as well. So based on the loops, you have to decide which loop you should use, because they have some basic differences. So based on that, you have to make a choice which loop should be best for your case. Okay, so now I have shown using the number. If you want to check in the similar fashion for the words, then you can also do that. So let me make a comments over here, and if you want to access it for the words, this particular array, then you have to use the name. You have to change just name of it, and if you want to compile it and if you want to run it, you can see that you can access it very much easily. So this way you can access all elements inside the array using its index. In the next video, I'll show you how you can use a loop for accessing the elements that are present inside an array. So thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.